evaluate the integral from 0 to 1 of sine cube 1/2 pi t dt. So we split the power of sine cube t into sine squared 1/2 pi t times sine 1/2 pi t dt. Then we transform sine squared in terms of cosine using Pythagorean identity. So I have integral from 0 to 1. So sine squared 1/2 pi t is also equal to 1 minus cosine squared of 1/2 pi t. Then times sine of 1/2 pi t dt. Then we apply substitution. So we let u be equal to cosine of 1/2 pi t. Then get the derivative of u du. Derivative of cosine 1/2 pi t is negative sine 1/2 pi t. Then by chain rule, times by the derivative, multiply by the derivative of 1/2 pi t, which is 1/2 pi. So we have negative 1/2 pi sine 1/2 pi t dt as the derivative. So what we need is just this positive sine 1/2 pi t dt. We have an extra coefficient of negative 1/2 pi. We eliminate that by, we can multiply both sides by negative 2 over pi, right? So negative 2 over pi times du, that's negative 2 over pi du. And then negative 2 over pi times negative 1/2 pi, that will be equal to 1. So we are left with sine 1/2 pi t dt. And then we also need to get the new lower and upper limit in terms of u. So if the original lower limit in terms of t is 0, we substitute that value here. U is equal to cosine of 1/2 pi t, replace it with 0. So I have u is equal to cosine 1/2 pi times 0, or simply cosine 0. So cosine 0 is equal to 1. Then for the upper limit, if t is equal to 1, substitute here, u is equal to cosine of 1/2 pi t, 1. So we have u is equal to cosine of 1/2 pi times 1, or simply cosine of 1/2 pi, or pi over 2. So the cosine of pi over 2 is 0. So therefore, the new integral in terms of u will be integral from the new lower limit 1 to the new upper limit 0. Then for the integrand, we have 1 minus cosine 1/2 pi t, that's equal to u raised to the second power. So we have u squared. And then the sine 1/2 pi t dt is equal to negative 2 over pi du. So you can put this constant in front, the negative 2 over pi. So we have negative 2 over pi integral from 1 to 0 of 1 minus u squared du. So if you have a negative in front of the integral, property is you can remove that negative, but you need to interchange the position of the lower and upper limit. So it's also equal to 2 over pi integral from 0 to 1 of 1 minus u squared du. So evaluating the integral of 1 du or du is u. So don't forget the constant. 2 over pi times the integral of 1 du is u. Then minus the integral of u squared, applying power rule, u to the 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1. Or u cubed over 3. And then evaluate from the lower to upper limit from 0 to 1. So we have 2 over pi times, substitute first to u, the upper limit 1. So we have 1 minus 1 cube over 3. Then minus 2 over pi times, so substitute this time the lower limit 0 to u. 0 minus 0 cubed over 3. So simplifying, we'll have 2 over pi times 1 minus 1 cube over 3 or 1/3. Then minus, so 2 over pi times 0, right? So we just got 0 here. So therefore, we only have 2 over pi times 1 minus 1/3 or that's 2/3. Then multiplying 2 over pi times 2/3, that's 2 times 2 or 4 over pi times 3 or 3 pi. So this is the final answer.